what the landlord wants to see. Better put rocks in the ground where nothing that grows